Hey little guy, do you want some food?
Let's craft it.
So, here's what you'll need. First, you need a milk carton or a juice carton, any kind of carton that's similar to this one. Then you'll need some bottle caps of different sizes. I've used Gatorade and Coke. Next, you'll need some googly eyes, my favorite. You're going to need a paintbrush, some paint. I've chosen purple because purple is my favorite color, but you can choose whatever color you want, and a popsicle stick. And of course, you're going to need some glue. And you may also need some tape, so it's good to have it on hand. And don't forget the scissors. I decided to grab a glue gun to help glue the carton down and get some string to hang the bird feeder up. If you're using a milk carton like me, you're going to want to glue these edges down. Kitten, you're not helping. No. Thank you. As I was saying, you're going to want to glue these edges down on the milk carton just to make your owl look a little nicer. Now, if you decide to use a juice box instead, you can just skip this step. Now it's time for the fun part, the painting. You're going to want to cover the whole carton with paint. I've chosen purple again, that's my favorite color, but you choose whatever color that you want. Don't worry if it looks a little sparse starting off, that's okay. You may need to do a couple of coats to get at the solid color that you're looking for. You want to make sure that all sides get covered, so the top, the bottom, the sides, everything. Give your carton a couple of minutes to dry, and then you can start going in with the second coat. See, it's already starting to look a little more solid. Like I said, this may take a couple of coats to get at the nice color that you're looking for. Now let's go on to the eyes. So, if your bottle caps are like mine and you have this red ring around them, there's an easy fix to that. Max? Nobody, you gotta leave. Thanks. Like I was saying, there's an easy fix to that. Max? Just add some white paint and brush it over any area that you want. But if you like the red circles, you can keep them. It's up to you. Once the paint is dried, you can then either paint or draw on some pupils just to make the owl look more expressive. However, I have googly eyes. So I'm going to take the googly eyes, stick them on the middle of the owls, just to make them look a little more interesting and fun. So owls have pretty big eyes. So in order to do this, we're going to take larger bottle caps and then take the smaller bottle caps and glue them to the insides. So just take your glue, you're going to go around the rim of the smaller bottle cap and then stick it right in the middle of the larger bottle cap. As simple as that. Just make sure you give your eyes plenty of time to dry. Okay, so now we need to cut a hole in the middle of the carton so the birds can feed out of it. You want to start the hole about 2 inches or so from the bottom so that there's enough room that you can put the bird seed in. Next, we're going to cut along the length of the carton. Keep in mind, though, that you're going to be putting your eyes close to the top, so you don't want to cut too far to the top. Then you're just going to finish cutting a rectangle. Now we're going to make some wings along the side. So you're going to start about 2 or so inches from the bottom again. This time, though, you're going to make a curved line at the bottom instead of a flat, because we want this to look more like a wing shape. Then continue cutting until you're about 2 or so inches from the top of the carton. But we're going to stop there. We're not going to complete the rectangle. We want to keep these flaps attached to the carton so that it looks like our bird feeder has wings. And repeat on the opposite side, trying to make the wings as similar as possible. And that's the basic shape of our owl. Once the eyes have dried, now we need to glue them onto our owl body. So first, figure out where you want to place them. When you're happy with how it looks, you're going to grab your glue, place a drop of glue where you think the eye is supposed to go, and then lay the bottle cap on top of it. Make sure you press hard so that it sticks into place. Same on the other side. Pour a little bit of glue in the center, then place the bottle cap on top, and press firmly to make sure that it sticks. Then you can add some details like a little beak, or maybe some extra feathers or spots, whatever you want. Get creative. The last little touch is a little stand for the birds to stand on while they're feeding. So if you're going to put that in, you just need to get your scissors, poke a hole where you think the stand should go, make sure you push down far enough so that your popsicle stick can fit in the hole. Then just slide your popsicle stick right in. If you want, you can put a little bit of glue on the inside just to make sure it sticks, but I'm not going to do that. So here's our owl milk carton bird feeder, but we've got one problem. No bird seed. I forgot to buy some, but that's no problem. We can just make our own. So just grab some seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, or flax seeds. Then you can add some nuts. So I have some walnuts, some almonds, and some pecans. Just make sure that you're crushed up enough so that the birds can eat them. Then you can add some oats or some bread. Again, make sure that it's crunched up enough so that the birds will be able to eat them quite easily. You can throw in some dried fruit like some raisins or cranberries and just mix everything up together. And there you go, that's it. So now we have our owl and we have our bird seed. It's just time to fill it up and go check on the birds. To hang it up, we're going to need to punch a hole in the top of it using your scissors again. This may be a bit tricky because the top of the cartons tend to be a little bit thicker, but just use your muscles. Then just take your string and slide it through the hole all the way through. And he is ready to hang. Looking good there, little buddy.
Thanks so much for crafting along with me. And if you made your own owl bird feeder or whatever other creature you wanted to make, please post in the comments below. I'd love to see it. And remember, stay safe, have fun. Bye!